Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a WhatsApp contact. It's important to remember that WhatsApp uses your phone's main address book for all its contacts, so your first step actually involves your phone's native contacts application. To begin, simply open your device's primary contact list, usually named Contacts or People. This ensures you're accessing the foundational information WhatsApp relies upon for all its messaging features, making the deletion process smooth and effective. Now, open your phone's built-in Contacts application. This is the app where all your phone numbers and contact details are stored. Once inside, navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top, and type in the name of the person you want to remove. Carefully select the correct contact from the search results to proceed, ensuring you are targeting the right individual for deletion. Once inside your phone's contact application, find the specific person you wish to remove. Tap on their name to open their contact details. Look for an edit option, often a small pencil icon, then locate the delete or remove button, typically at the bottom or within a menu. Confirm your decision when prompted. This action permanently removes the contact from your phone's address book, which WhatsApp will then reflect for you. After deleting the contact from your phone, open your WhatsApp application. Now, go to your Chats tab, then tap the new chat icon to see your current WhatsApp contact list. To ensure the changes take effect, tap the three vertical dots on Android or navigate to Settings on iOS and select Refresh. This step prompts WhatsApp to update its internal list, reflecting the removal you just made in your phone's address book.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.